Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries. I'm Judy. Nice bright day in Pergola Nurseries. We're out planting some hardy perennials. Hardy perennials are the plants that if you dig a hole, put them in the ground, they're there for years and years to come. Now this is a great tough hardy perennial. It's Stachys Hummelo, and Stachys Hummelo flowers non-stop from June until early October. Great length of time. Height roughly around 18 inches high, about 50 centimeters high, and will spread about the same across. Just starting to appear over ground now, and we look forward to nice light purple flowers, lavender like that. So we took out a decent sized planting hole for this lovely plant, and we're putting a couple of decent handfuls of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. Super Thrive is the fertilizer that encourages your plants to establish well, reduces transplant shock, and is slowly released for the plant. A little bit of swell well compost into the soil underneath there as well, and we have swell well compost mixed with the soil for backing around the plant. No excuses. This hardy perennial will be with us for years and years to come. So in it goes, same depth as surrounding soil, and totally winter hardy, and comes back year after year. So that's Stachys Hummelo. We're looking forward to colour here from June until September, and it'll be here for years and years to come, growing roughly about that high by so wide. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.